Whenever mural painting tradition of India is referred to, it is always expressed as a stream from Ajanta to Kerala. Ajanta paintings were done between the 2nd century BC and the 5th or 6th century AD. The influence of Ajanta was felt across the Indian subcontinent and beyond, along with the spread of Buddhism. In India, especially in the southern regions Sitanavasi, Badami, Tanjavur, Lepakshi and Kerala are exemplary centers of mural painting tradition, but with variant styles. Very few documentary evidences are there about the architecture of Kerala, and hence the mural painting tradition too. Historically, the temple architecture tradition can be divided into 3 phases: early 800 to 1000 AD, middle 1000 to 1300 AD, and late 1300 to 1800 AD. During the later period, the temple architecture warranted elaborate decoration in the form of wood carving and mural painting. Kerala had mural paintings from the 9th century AD, if not earlier. But the pictures are lost. Yet the remains of the paintings in Tirunandikara, in the southern parts of Kerala, declare its existence even now. The later period of Kerala had a strong language of mural paintings from the 16th century AD onwards. The mature style of Kerala tradition could be seen between the 16th and the 19th century AD. The early phase of the mural paintings can be seen in the temples in Tirunandikara, Kandalur and Padmanabhaswamy temple. The middle phase paintings can be seen in Mattancherry Palace, the Ramayana panel, Vadakunatha temple, Thodikalam, Thiruvanchikulam, Elamkunnapura, etc. The third phase paintings are there in Mattancherry Palace, Padmanabhapuram Palace, Kottakkal, Pundarikapuram, Guruvayur and Panayannarkavu. The pictures are painted mainly on the walls of the Sanctum Sanctorum and the gate tower of the temples. The interior rooms are the selected space for wall paintings in the palaces. The traditional style of the paintings can be seen in temples and palaces. The themes are gods and goddesses according to the prescribed Dhyana shlokas, and also contexts selected from mythologies. Different incarnations of Vishnu, various aspects of Shiva and other gods and goddesses are the commonly seen themes. Dhyana shlokas are hymns describing the deities. It is a kind of iconographic prescription for mural painters of Kerala. These descriptional hymns dictate the color, the weapons, the vehicle, etc. of the gods or goddesses. The other major places having mural paintings in Kerala are churches where the style is Western. Themes, composition, color scheme, etc. are biblical and the style is Western than native. The paintings were done only in 5 colors, such as yellow, red, green, white and black. The process of the preparation of a wall is a very elaborate one. The human or god figures are stylized and made decorative. The facial expressions and gestures are corresponding with the classical theatre performance of Kerala, such as Kudiyattam and Kathakali. The wide open eyes, elongated painted lips, exaggerated eyebrows, stylized body postures, gestures, over-ornamentation, etc. can be compared with the classical theatre of Kerala. As the patronage connected with feudalism became weak and the aversion to caste system became stronger among the people, the old temple culture eroded in the 20th century. Confined to the temple walls, the Kerala mural painting could not break the barrier of the stereotyped figuration or composition. Recently, a number of secular walls have been commissioned by people, and so the themes become diverse and style becomes progressive. Now there are a number of progressive elements such as doing paintings of this style on portable boards or canvases. This made the style popular as a genre beyond its existence as mural painting. It now has become a sought-after item across the country and abroad. Preparation of wall. The preparation of wall for the traditional mural painting of Kerala is an elaborate process. It is done in 3 stages. The clean sand and lime are mixed and kept wet for about 2 weeks. the time of plastering the wall, this mixture is applied on the wall as the first stage of the process. The water used for mixing the lime and sand contains jaggery, the juice of myrabalam, and the extract of Cissus glauca called Unyalvali in Malayalam. The first plastering is a little rough, on which another layer is added to make it smooth. For this, cotton is used along with sand lime mixture. It is ground well to make it very smooth. Cotton is used because it absorbs the pigment when it is applied. It also keeps the quality of color. Moreover, it prevents the plastering from peeling off. When the first layer of plastering is dry, the second stage is done. The thickness of the second stage of plastering is 0.5 millimeter. The wall is allowed to dry. The third stage is a kind of wash. On the smooth, dry wall, the mixture of lime water and tender coconut is applied. Horizontally and vertically, the brush is moved a number of times to make the surface smooth. The thickness of this wash is that of a tamarind leaf. Once the wall is ready, the painting can be done. Preparation of pigments. There are only 5 colors in traditional Kerala mural painting. Of the 5 colors, 4 pigments are prepared from nature. Yellow, red, green and black are prepared, while white is the surface of the wall itself. The color is applied in the painting in the sequence yellow, red, green and black. Yellow. Soft yellow stones are collected and washed well. The stone is ground so well that it is made a smooth and soft paste. This is collected and decanted a number of times to remove the impurities. The pure pigment is extracted and dried in the shade. This is stored as small pellets. Red. Red is prepared in the same manner as the yellow. The stone is ground well and made into a paste. This is stored as small pellets. Green. The leaves of Indigofera, called Nilayamari in the local language Malayalam, are collected and ground. This has a greenish blue color. It is decanted many times and dried in the shade. It is stored as small pellets. The gum-raising gamouche, known as Eravikara in the local dialect, is mixed with the Indigofera extract to make it perfect green. Gamouche is mixed at the time of painting. Instead of indigofera, there is another formula for the pigment green. Chinese blue is mixed with gamouche and green can be prepared.
Copper sulfate. Copper sulfate solution is applied on the walls before green. Neem glue. Neem glue is the adhesive added to the pigments just before painting.
Black. Black is made by collecting the carbon soot from the gingerly oil lamp flame inside a terracotta vessel. The carbon soot deposited inside the vessel is scratched out and stored. Mixed with water, it can be used. Preparation of brush. For the traditional mural painting of Kerala, the brush is made of arrowgrass. The soft arrowgrass is collected and moistened. Taking sufficient number of grass, they are tied well to the bamboo stick, which is the handle of the brush. Many brushes are made and stored. Pradosha Nrittam. Nataraja, the cosmic dance of Lord Shiva. According to mythology, Shiva is considered as the great seer who is the god of ultimate wisdom. Annihilating ignorance every time he soars to higher levels of knowledge and wisdom. Ignorance is personified as the demon Apasamara, who is subjugated by Lord Shiva by dancing rhythmically upon him. Nataraja sculptures are seen in different styles across India. Unlike many of those four-arm sculptures and paintings, the Nataraja dance of Shiva in the traditional mural paintings of Kerala has 16 arms. Different weapons are attributed to each arm. Deer, garland, bell, stringed musical instrument veena, vessel, skull, spear, rope, axe, fire, hand drum, rosary, flag post, hook, hand gesture boon and hand gestures of protection are attributed to each arm. The concept of Pradosha Nrittam is that Lord Shiva danced and showed his dancing form to the gods on the 13th lunar evening twilight. All the gods attended the frantic and violent dance of Shiva. Some of them even joined him as accompanying instrument players. On the prepared wall, the outline is drawn first and the colors yellow, red, green and black are applied. White is the surface of the wall itself. Green is applied. Black is the last color to be applied. The structure of the epic narration is seen in the painting. The labyrinthine structure of the composition corresponds with the grand narrative organization of the epic details. Events are synoptically rendered in the painting.